Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to restore deleted photos in Google Photos step by step. If you accidentally deleted a photo or video, you can usually recover it from the trash folder. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in Google Photos, look at the left sidebar and click Trash. This folder contains photos and videos that have been deleted. Browse through the deleted items and find the photo or video you want to restore. Click on the photo to open it, then click the Restore button in the top right corner. Google Photos will restore the photo to its original location in your photo library and albums. If you want to restore multiple photos at once, select all the photos you want, then click Restore at the top. Keep in mind that items in the trash are only available for a limited time. If a photo has been permanently deleted from the trash, it may not be recoverable through Google Photos. After restoring the photos, go back to your main Google Photos library and confirm that the photos have returned successfully. That's it. You have successfully restored deleted photos in Google Photos. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Google Photos tutorials. See you in the next video.